Today I took an early off from my work because I'm planning to go to Hobart to attend Dark Mofo. Dark Mofo is one of the biggest events that happened in Tasmania. Before going to Hobart, I came to the workshop to pick my car, and the workshop is just there. So yeah, I will be picking my car from workshop, then together we will go to Hobart to attend Dark Mofo. So this is the workshop and this is my car. I'm going inside and I will ask the keys of my car and then we will go to Hobart. I have already picked my car from the workshop. Now I'm going to Hobart, but before Hobart I have to go to Launceston airport to pick one of my friends. He is coming from Pakistan, and yeah, I'm going to pick him up from the airport, then we will go together to Hobart. After around 2 hours drive, I just came to the airport. That's just behind me, and now I'm going inside to pick him up.
Assalamualaikum. कश्मीरी भाई क्या हाल चाल है? अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बेहतरीन, आप सुनाओ।